If you're interested in learning how to perform your own wheel alignments in your street car at home, or even in the pits on a track day, then our FD Mazda RX-7 worked example from our Motorsport Wheel Alignment Fundamentals course is going to be perfect for you. In this worked example, we'll be applying the HPA 7-step alignment process that you can apply to your own performance car or road legal track car. You'll learn the right way to get started by setting up your suspension components and wheel alignment equipment before accurately finding your base settings. This includes a detailed walkthrough of setting up your coilovers and ride height properly, a task that so many people get wrong. From there, you'll figure out exactly what changes are needed in order to alter the handling characteristics of your car for the better. You'll be able to follow along as we make those changes to come out the other side with a car that will handle better when you're pushing it on your favourite mountain roads and provide a more stable and predictable platform through the S's at your local track day. This worked example will prove to be a great addition to your automotive skill set. Click the link for more information.